Alrighty, I just received delivery of my Killer B cast aluminium turbo inlet. I just mocked it up to this by Guy WRX intake manifold that I've got spare. Thought I'd share my thoughts and kind of experience fitting it, in case anyone else was interested in buying one of these. At a glance, it's fucking tight. Killer B kind of market this as something that you can just slip straight in, whereas with like silicon inlets like this PSR one here, you've got to fiddle about a bit more. You can get it in, just like that. It's fucking tight though. I had to bend these fuel rails down here and also here a tiny bit, and even then it is still basically hard up against the manifold in some spots. When you do up this bolt here and these two planes become completely parallel, it basically wants to go there and hit against the TGV to manifold kind of mounting flange. It's also hard up against the inlet manifold under here. You can kind of see there where it's rubbed, and it also comes very close to this bolt here. I think it might also touch along this casting line on the manifold, but I mean that's something you could sand away or grind away with a Dremel or something like that. That's not a big deal. But yeah, the major one is when it's bolted up, it goes hard up against the TGVs and it's hard up against the underside of the manifold. When it's loose, as I've got it here, you can kind of turn it away a bit and get a bit of clearance to the TGV, so you can get the coupler on, so there's room for the coupler. But like at the same time, it is super tight, and when it's angled away, that's when it comes into contact with this bolt here. So yeah, and I mean another minor thing. None of these holes are centered on the casting bosses. You'd reckon they could center them. And super minor, like this lip here is a bit small. I don't know. But yeah, overall, yeah, if you're buying it for the power, honestly, I'd probably just stick with a quality silicon inlet like the PSR and other brands. Because yeah, I'm not real keen on the fitment, how it's just hard up against the inlet. I bought it because apparently I thought an expensive dose pipe would be a good idea. If it wasn't for that reason, if it was just for the power, I'd be feeling pretty silly right now. But yeah, just thought I'd share my thoughts because it's a pretty new product. Yeah, cheers.